Good morning, YouTubadors and YouTubians. It's Monday, November 15th. I had to think for a minute. Don't have my glasses on. My calendar's right there. I just got back from town. I always say that, don't I? Had to get water. Got a few 2x4s. Oh, they're the worst I've ever seen. But I'm going to start a project. When this video is done, I'm going to rip out that closet where I moved, or the little desk area I had, and I'm putting stairs back in there. Only they're going to be a lot better than they were. I'm going to make them. I tore one of the beams out here and I put it back, but I'm gonna. It's not going to be as steep. Those ones before, man, the risers were short, and the steps were only about 5-6 inches wide. You had to turn sideways to go up them. I've got pictures of them. If I can find one, I'll put it up here right now. So you see, they weren't the best. So I'm going to make them better. Lumber prices have came down. I get a, was it 2x12 untreated, and it's still expensive, but you know, they were $40 for like a 12-footer. Now they're down to 24. They only have 20 footers, but they'll cut them. So I'm gonna get all that cedar tore out of there. I'm gonna get it all ready and do any framing I got to do, and that way I know exactly how long of a stringers I'll need. I'll make my own stringers, and then what I'll do is probably buy a sheet or two of plywood, which is not cheap, and for now that will be the steps until I can get, till the good hardwood stuff comes out. And I can buy that a little bit at a time, finish them out, make them real nice. So I'm not worried about that. And they'll probably be 1.5 inch thick, I don't know, oak or something like that. Want a good hardwood. You can't use cedar for a step. It just doesn't last. I may, don't know. But the plywood will work for now. And then, once I get upstairs, then all kinds of doors open. I got all kinds of work to do. So I'm hoping to get a lot more projects going, and we'll do a video. I'll probably, what I do today and maybe tomorrow will be one video. I want to get enough material and do it good enough where you can understand what I'm doing. But I'm excited to get up there because I'm tired of, being down here. I want to have a living room, and I've got my bed down here. I'd like to have another chair. I don't really care to have a sofa. Ain't nobody ever comes over, and maybe another recliner or another just regular, sitting chair. It's all I need, but that will give me a lot more room. And the nice part about putting the stairs back there is I'll have a closet under the stairs. So I'm killing 2 stones with 1 bird. Building the stairs, that's a bird. And I didn't have a closet, and I couldn't get upstairs to do anything. So I gain a loft and a closet. It's not going to be a huge closet, and actually that's how it used to be. They had the hot water tank under the stairs, and I moved it into what used to be the old bedroom, which is now the laundry room. Which still could become a small bedroom if I wanted it to be. I would just have to build another laundry room. And they originally had the laundry room. I tore that addition down. It didn't have any heat or anything in it. I put a washer in there and it froze, and it would have to be insulated and part of the house. So that's a good option for that, is just make a separate, or just a bedroom probably. Right now, I'm fine going up and down the stairs. I'm going to make them where they're very easy to negotiate. And, hey, it's got a door up there. I get up in the middle of the night and I got to go. I can just go out the door. Alright, I'm sorry. But anyway, that's going to be the project for the week. I hope to have working steps in the next few days. And I don't mean finished steps, I mean working steps. They'll have plywood like these down here that come up to my bar do. But they'll be plenty strong to last until I can get a nice hardwood finished product on there. I don't even have a floor put down here yet, so I've got to allow for that when I make the stringers. They're tricky. I'm going to take my time with them because you only get one shot to cut them. And then you got to buy a new whole board if you screw it up. So I'm just going to run 3 stringers and plywood up. But I want to make it safe. You know, I'm going to put some risers in there too because I want to make it safe for Rooster because she's going to want to go up there. So we got to rooster proof it. I don't think she's that stupid. She knows how to go up and down steps. But don't want her going sleepwalking. Do dogs sleepwalk? I don't know. She makes noises in her sleep. Oh, that's good coffee right there. So, and I picked up, what did I pick up? I didn't get much sleep last night. I think I slept 3 hours, and then Rooster got me up to go to the bathroom, so my mind is a little slow this morning. Same with the night before, and I usually try to get a nap in, but I didn't get one in. Standing in that kitchen all day, half the day. And that come out pretty good. If you're going to make it, throw a little more salt than I did in it. Because it didn't, you know, and I don't cook things real salty anyway, but it needed more salt. And I also added a little more paprika. You're going to use about a half a bottle of that stuff. And get the good stuff. And the best I could get was McCormick. But it beats the best save or best choice kind. And it actually had some pretty good flavor. But today, the second day, that's when it's good. It's time to mingle in there. Get all the juices soaked in. And I am going to I'm going to make some rice like somebody had said that in the comments. That sounds good. Pour it over the rice. That'll help sop up that gravy. That's right. Alright guys, this ain't a long one. I'm anxious to get working, tearing this cedar out, and that'll give me more cedar to use somewhere else. So I will film it. Hopefully this camera that's filming me now, I can't get it to charge. I've got 2 batteries for it and it will not charge. I don't understand what's going on, so I hope that's not going out. I do have one more, and I do got the iPhone I can use, so, and I still got my cell phone, so we'll get it filmed one way or another. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy trails.